video shows a hack of how to turn this kind of a tongue jack into a quick drop. Quick drop is when you can use your drill to run it down or up, so you don't have to sit there and slowly turn it by hand for a long time. Some of these have a nut on there that you can turn, and they call them a quick drop. This one doesn't, and many of them don't. But what I've done is I ordered this. If you remember these, well, you may not be old enough, but these are for turning sprinkler valves. They sell this on Amazon for $3.98, and it turns out this fits perfectly right in there. So what I'm going to do is cut this off and use it that I can chuck it into my drill, and then I can run this up and down just like a quick drop hitch. It fits in there and it'll go in the drill. So next I'll cut it off and use the drill on it. To cut it off, I put it into the vise, and then I've got this little cutoff tool that I can use to just take and cut through this like that and cut it off. Now I'll clean up the burr on a bench grinder, and it should be ready to put into the drill. I've cleaned up the end of it with the bench grinder. Now it's ready to put in the drill and try it. I've got the adapter in the drill. I'm going to give it a test run here. I place it in here, and then I just try to gently run it up. Comes up. Then I can switch it. If I need to run it down, I can run it down. You have to be careful of that handle whipping around, but it does convert this into a quick drop hitch. So that worked good.